I'm starting to believe that the poster sets are not really good. I'm not getting as good hits as I would want. But you know, you can expect. I believe this is 27 pack. Oops. Open up. Alright. Ooh, starting off with a item. Nice. Okay. I believe I need 13 again. Number 11. I should just look up what 11 is so I can just remember what it is. 39, 76, 30. Let's see. Number 11. I know I need Pikachu, which is kind of strange because I like that card. Number 11. Metapod. I need Metapod and Pikachu. Metapod 11, Pikachu 25. Let's check. 91 Cloyster. I believe I have it. Let's just make sure though. 91 Cloyster, I have it. Yeah, I think I have this one too. 50, definitely. 50 Diglett. I do not have that one? Wow, do not have that one. What? Can't really be really noisy because it's really late at night. I don't want people to be freaking out, my neighbors. Oh my god. This is the best card ever. Cannot be any better. Venusaur X. I'm shivering. Yes! Oh, damn. This is like the best pack ever. Okay. Let's put in number 50. 50. Take it. And number 3. Number 3, Venusaur X. Can't believe it. Cannot believe it. It actually happened. I'm really in shock right now. I just put them in. There it is. Number 3 goes right there. Bam. I finally got the full front page. There it is, full page. Still missing that one. 24. Where's number 24? Arbok X. Not too worried about it. Missing number 40. 40 Wiggly Tough, not worried about that one. And the one I just got was Reverse Foil Diglett, which is right here. I don't mind not getting the whole set of reverse foils. I'm just collecting them because they are uniques. And one of each. Look at that. Full 2 pages. I'm missing this one. 74, 75, 76. That's 76. Golem X, yeah. The reason why I care about Golem X is because I need 2 of these. One for me and one for my son. So, technically, we need one more Venusaur for my son but I don't need it, so I'm not too worried about it. The 76, 124, 144. The reason why I wrote these down is because I need 2 of each, one for me, one for my son. So getting these, well, it's not that big of a deal now. 3 was the stressful. Now 76, 124, 45 are actually cheap cards. They're not really expensive. But I'm still missing those cards. Oh man, I can't believe I got Venusaur. Ooh, yeah. That was the most important card. Venusaur. Alright. Whew. I'm practically done opening packs now. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 more packs to go. I don't know. At this point, if I could sell the rest of the packs, I'd be happy to. But I'm probably going to open them anyways because it's probably going to cost me too much time and energy to sell the packs. Might as well open them, right? Right? Yeah. See you guys in the next one.